You know when you go to a wedding and they've put a napkin on your plate that's folded like a shell, and you think to yourself, oh, that's pretty, I wonder how they do that. Well, today I'm going to show you how you do that. Very easy. Okay, take a square napkin, fold it in half, then face it away from you. Then, from one end, in about 1 inch folds, you're going forwards, then backwards, and forwards, and backwards, until just over the halfway mark. Then put it on the table, put your finger in the middle of the folds, fold the whole thing over. Now this is the secret to it. Press it down, press, press, and then this back section you're folding underneath to make a little stand, and then you just let it fold out, and there you have a seashell napkin fold.